Welcome to Phone Breakdown! In this video, we'll compare the Samsung Galaxy A37 and the Samsung Galaxy A36. Let's see which one will win in this comparison and find out which one is better. Let's get started. Samsung Galaxy A37 has a 50-megapixel wide camera with f/1.8, and Samsung Galaxy A36 also features a 50-megapixel wide camera with f/1.8. Samsung Galaxy A37 comes with an 8-megapixel ultra-wide and a 5-megapixel macro camera, while Samsung Galaxy A36 offers the same ultra-wide and macro setup. Samsung Galaxy A37 supports 4K at 30 frames per second and 1080p at 30 and 60 frames per second, and Samsung Galaxy A36 provides the same video recording options. Samsung Galaxy A37 is powered by the Exynos 1480, while Samsung Galaxy A36 runs on the Snapdragon 6 Gen 3. Both Samsung Galaxy A37 and Samsung Galaxy A36 also has an octa-core CPU, but CPU performance is better on the Samsung Galaxy A37. Samsung Galaxy A37 features the Xclipse 530 GPU, while Samsung Galaxy A36 comes with the Adreno 710. Samsung Galaxy A37 has a 6.7-inch display, and Samsung Galaxy A36 also has a 6.7-inch display. Samsung Galaxy A37 uses a Super AMOLED display, and Samsung Galaxy A36 also comes with Super AMOLED. Samsung Galaxy A37 offers a 1080 by 2340 resolution, and Samsung Galaxy A36 has the same resolution. Samsung Galaxy A37 supports a 120Hz refresh rate, and Samsung Galaxy A36 also supports 120Hz. Samsung Galaxy A37 reaches up to 1900 nits peak brightness, and Samsung Galaxy A36 matches it at 1900 nits. Samsung Galaxy A37 is protected by Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, and Samsung Galaxy A36 also gets Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. Samsung Galaxy A37 is available with 6GB and 8GB RAM, and Samsung Galaxy A36 also comes in 6GB and 8GB options. Samsung Galaxy A37 offers 128GB and 256GB storage, while Samsung Galaxy A36 also provides 128GB and 256GB options. Samsung Galaxy A37 does not support a memory card, and Samsung Galaxy A36 also has no card slot. Samsung Galaxy A37 features a 12-megapixel front camera, and Samsung Galaxy A36 also has a 12-megapixel selfie camera. Samsung Galaxy A37 supports 4K at 30 frames per second and 1080p at 30 frames per second on the front, and Samsung Galaxy A36 offers the same. Samsung Galaxy A37 packs a 5000 mAh battery, and Samsung Galaxy A36 also comes with a 5000 mAh battery. Samsung Galaxy A37 supports 45-watt fast charging, and Samsung Galaxy A36 also supports 45 watts. Samsung Galaxy A37 has a plastic frame with a glass back, and Samsung Galaxy A36 features the same build. Samsung Galaxy A37 measures 162.9 by 78.2 by 7.4 millimeters, and Samsung Galaxy A36 has identical dimensions. Samsung Galaxy A37 weighs 195 grams, and Samsung Galaxy A36 also weighs 195 grams. Both phones come with stereo speakers for a better audio experience. And as expected in this segment, neither of the two offers a 3.5mm headphone jack. Both have under-display optical fingerprint sensors. Both models come with accelerometer, gyro, proximity, and compass sensors. Network support is the same on both, with full 5G connectivity. Both phones offer the same Wi-Fi 802.11 connectivity. Finally, both phones come with NFC for contactless payments and connectivity. And that wraps up today's breakdown. Here is the final result of the comparison. Tell us in the comments below which one you think is better and why. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Phone Breakdown, and ring the bell icon so you never miss our latest mobile comparisons. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next breakdown.